This is Niu Niu in Longhui County, Hunan Province, concluding our Weiyuan house tour. 魏源故居就在我们身后了。Throughout his entire life, Weiyuan has a lot of works and a lot of thoughts. Those are still appreciated by modern-day Chinese people. In 2018, when addressing the reinforcement of the party's political foundation, Chinese President Xi Jinping also cited a saying by Wei Yuan, 于安思危，于治忧乱. Be alert to danger in times of peace and be wary of unrest in times of stability. Let's take a look at the sentence. 于安思危. 于 means amid or at. 安 means peace. 思 means to think about. And 危 means danger. Together, 于安思危. Be alert to danger in times of peace. 于治忧乱. 于 again is amid or at. 治 means times of stability. 忧 means to worry about. And 乱 means unrest. 于治忧乱. Be wary of unrest in times of stability. I believe that is a sentiment that can apply to a lot of occasions. People say, save it for a rainy day, or be prepared. So, is there an occasion in your personal life that you can use the sentence 于安思危，于治忧乱? Share with us in the comment area.